Everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so very much. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I'll be stretching out my natural hair using the African threading method. So if this topic interests you, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, also drop a comment for me in the comment section. So guys, before we do that, let's go ahead and take out this jumbo cornrows that I'm having on. So guys, I'll be washing my hair before doing the African threading, so but I won't be showing that on camera so that this video will not be too long. So at this point I'm done taking out the cornrows. I'll go ahead now and start detangling my hair. Guys, this is the first step you should always do before you wash your hair. Make sure to always finger detangle your natural hair. That way you are removing all the shaded hairs that may cause tangles and also result to breakage while washing your hair. So I only finger detangle my hair because for 2 months now I've been finger detangling my natural hair. I no longer use combs. For the meantime, I no longer use combs on my natural hair. I only finger detangle. So that is what I'm actually doing in this video. You can use a slippery agent like okra gel, your flaxseed gel, or whatsoever. You can as well use water, but I'm using my herbal spray. Okay, I'm just using the herbal spray because I want it to get finished, but you can just use plain water or whatsoever you want to use as your pre-poo. Okay, so I'll go ahead to spray the water on my hair and also finger detangle that section of hair. Then after that I will twist it up so that it will not obstruct the way for me while doing the other section of my hair. Okay, so guys, I'm showing you guys. Do you think I need a trim? Do you think my hair is overdue for a trim? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, this is the last section which I've already sprayed my herbal spray on it. So I'll just go ahead and finger detangle. You can use your combs if you don't know how to finger detangle, but make sure that your hair is very wet so that you don't break off your hair, because you don't need to use combs on a dry hair. So this is the amount of hair that I lost after finger detangling my whole hair. So I still went ahead to remove the twist because I won't be washing my hair in any style whatsoever. So guys, at this point I'm done washing my hair, and this is the deep conditioning process. I just use the plastic bag to wrap up my hair for 15 minutes before washing it out. So at this point I've washed out the deep conditioner and it's time to start installing the African threads. Okay, for this I'll be using yarn or wool, anyone you call it. I've already prepared my wool or my yarn, so I'll go ahead and start threading my hair. But before I do that, I will first of all apply my homemade butter. This is my DIY hair growth butter, which the video is already up on the channel. You can go and check that out. Okay, so that is the hair butter I'll be using to moisturize my hair in this video. So at this point I'm parting my hair. You don't necessarily need to part your hair very neat because this hairstyle is just for the purpose of stretching your hair, and you don't have to leave it for too long. But if you want, you can as well leave it for too long if you wish. So just continue watching to see. This is the amount of shea butter I'll be using on that section. So I'll make sure to apply it very well for it to coat my hair so that my hair doesn't get dry out during the time I'll be leaving this African threading on my hair. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to start threading my hair. You can see that I'm not making the trace to, like, I'm leaving some spaces in between the wraps. Yeah, so I'm done with the back section, as you can see. So let me show you all how I actually do this, how I knot the end of the thread. So I'll just keep wrapping and wrapping. When I get to the end of my hair, like some inches to the end of my hair, I will double up the thread so that it will be a bit longer than my hair. Then I will wrap till it goes out from the length of my hair to the thread. Then I will knot it on the thread and not on my hair. If you knot it on your hair, you end up cutting off your hair when you are about to take down the African trading hairstyle. Okay, so I make sure to roll up the thread so that it is way below my hair before I will knot it. I don't know if you understand, but if you look at the video closely, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, I'm using my razor to cut out the excess thread that is hanging around, just to make it look neat. So right now we are finally done with threading my natural hair. As you can see, this is the final look. So see you the day I'll be taking out this hairstyle. Okay, hi guys, so this is 5 days later. I can't believe that I was able to rock this hairstyle for complete 5 days. So let's take out this African trading to see what my hair looks like. Okay, so I'll be taking down this hairstyle by just dragging out the thread. Due to I did not knot it on my hair, it was so easy for me to drag out the knot and loosen the thread. So as you can see, this is how to take down your African trading hairstyle. It is so easy and stress free. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after taking out the African threads. As you can see, this is what my hair is looking like. So I'll go ahead and start separating the lumps of hair to give more volume to my hair. So guys, right now I'm done with separating the lumps and this is what my hair looks like. What do you think, guys? What do you think about my hair? I hope it's looking nice. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying out African trading method to stretch your hair, or will you be trying out the other methods? Let me know in the comment section. So I really love how my hair is looking. My hair is so full and beautiful. Okay, natural hair is gorgeous, natural hair is versatile, natural hair is beautiful. Embrace your crown, love it, take care of it, and it will also love you as well. Okay, so if you have watched the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click on that like button, leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. I wish to see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.